let's start English communications. How to improve, how to talk to anyone in English, and what is the things we have need to understand during the speaking times. It is necessary for us because it's play major roles when you are talking, and what is your exposures, what is your image, and what is your affections, what is your affections at that times when you are talking to anyone in English is very must to in this day, and everyone is must to speak English and with fluently. And you see that whenever you are going, everyone's also speak in English in the offices and maximum offices. It is must to everyone to see that, and we have need to talk to confident, and it is affect your body language, your behavior, your characters, and your personalities developed also. Now this all kind of the things is very must expose when you are talking to anyone's. uh, then see that if you are initial stage in English, first of all you have know a lot of the meanings of the word. Then you have to try to speak to ourselves like a soliloquy and make a sentence, a small sentence like where are you living and what are you doing, and did you have dinners, and so many things. You can ask questions to the ourselves, and in one day you saw that you have improved to ourselves, and then you will communicate to any persons in front of the any persons. It is must everyone to speak in English. It's play your behaviors, your characters, and your affections, and your personalities, and your all the exposures which it's suitable to talk to everyone. And then you see that you will be never feel hesitations in talking and discussions in between the any persons or any audience at any audience. This is importance to everyone to speak and start to initiate speaking English, because you see that whenever you are talking in English, you see that maximum hesitations and so much bad affections have been comes out from in your mouth. You see that sometimes the bad language have been using in the talking, but you will be avoid if you have continuous have to practice to the ourselves. If no one's have with you, then you start to talk to ourselves, and it place your things amazing things, affections, snake, and a lot of the confidence will be developed to the ourselves. You have need to speak with your neighbors, with your staffs, to speak at any topics. If you have any official work, then you can start to speak in English like that. So this is the basic things, and if you have appropriate times, then you have wrote uh, one paper, two papers, whatever you have times, you have need to wrote day by day your all activities what you have done in whole days. And as much as you have need to write in English, and sometimes you have feel hesitations, then you can use your social media and gadgets, which help you to improve your communication skills, because in these days English is very easy to help to the social medias to improve your vocabulary powers, and sentence how to speak and how to make pronunciations well in the sentence. And this is the basic things to start to ourselves, and conversations is must importance to everyone after discussing that things. uh, and you see that one day gradually or randomly you develop to yourself your personalities, and your affections will be come out in everyone's. If someone have preparing for the competitive examinations and going for the interviews, it is much to improve your vocabulary powers. How much you have vocabulary powers you can war at any times. If you have vocabulary powers you can speak, pronounce yes and negotiate to anyone more and more times, and you see that you have get a lot amount to speak in English. If anyone's also speaking very fast, then you will be remember to everything in your mind that you have the capacity to speak in English is very well. So that this is the motive is has to be taken for us to communicate with English and understand to everyone's, and as well as you see maximum news in English, and see that all the blockbusters or movies in English, and listens in English everything, and speak to English and learn to English and study to English. And apart from that, English is improving by a randomly, not very fast. And one day you see that your pronunciations is to be very good, then you find to yourself that it is very easy, it is very happiest times to speak well on the English at any topic. As much as you can participate in debate, English debates or lectures, so that you will be improve your confidence, improve your pronunciations and improve your consciousness. Whenever you see that if you are speaking in front of the somebody's, then you see that you have got the nervous sometimes. At the times your conscious levels is not working very well, and then you have got at the times to the unconsciousness. In this situations you see that one of the options to everyone's human bodies which having the capacities of 1400 cc's head in her mind, and they can think and they can speak well. They have the one opportunity to ask your subconscious mind. If you have no any ideas on these lessons, on the sessions, then your subconscious mind have been working at the times. This is the motive for us to spread or explore this message. Through this message everyone will be awareness and very well known to these topics, and they will be speak very well and in communicating to each others.